Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Product. In today's video, we're diving into a must-have gadget for car owners, the best car vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of dust, crumbs, and hard-to-reach messes inside your car, this compact device might just be the perfect solution. So stay with us as we explore its features, pros, cons, and my final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features. Powerful suction performance. Let's start with what truly makes this vacuum shine, its powerful suction. With a maximum suction force of up to 15 kilopascals, it tackles everything from embedded dirt and car mats to debris in tight corners. Whether it's pet hair, sand, or even those annoying crumbs hiding between seats, the Xiaomi car vacuum handles it all smoothly and efficiently. You'll be surprised by how much dirt it pulls out from places you didn't even know were dirty. Lightweight and portable design. Weighing just 1.6 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. It's ideal for anyone who wants a no-fuss, portable cleaning solution. Even better, it's cordless, which means no tangled wires or limited reach. This makes it perfect not only for your car, but also for cleaning workstations, shelves, or small corners in your home. Its compact size lets you store it in your glove box, trunk, or under a seat with ease. Long battery life with fast charging. Another standout feature is its long battery life. Thanks to its dual 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, you get up to 60 minutes of continuous use on a full charge. That's more than enough to clean your entire car and then some. And if you're short on time, its fast charging feature gets it powered up quickly so you don't have to wait long between cleaning sessions. Built-in LED lighting. Cleaning under seats or in dark footwells? No problem. The built-in LED lights brighten up those shadowy spots, helping you clean with precision. This is a simple but brilliant feature that really improves usability, especially when you're cleaning in a dim garage or at night. Versatile accessories. The Xiaomi car vacuum isn't just about suction. It also comes with a range of useful attachments. You get a dusting brush for delicate surfaces, a crevice tool for tight gaps, and extension tubes to reach deep areas like under seats or trunk corners. Plus, the HEPA filter is both removable and washable, which means better filtration, cleaner air, and longer product life. Pros. Strong suction power at 15 kilopascals handles heavy and light debris with ease. Cordless and lightweight for maximum portability. Long battery life with up to 60 minutes of use. Fast charging keeps downtime minimal. LED lights make it easy to clean dark areas. Multiple attachments for all-around cleaning. Washable HEPA filter for long-term efficiency and hygiene. Cons. No battery indicator. You'll need to keep track of usage time manually. Suction may reduce slightly when the dustbin is too full. Not suitable for heavy liquid spills. Dry use only. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a powerful, convenient, and versatile car cleaning tool, the Xiaomi car vacuum cleaner is definitely worth considering. It's compact, smartly designed, and packs enough power to keep your vehicle spotless without the hassle of bulky cords or weak suction. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just like to keep your car in tip-top shape, this vacuum makes cleaning fast, simple, and even a bit satisfying. Check the price link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.